on my lips, I'm wearing this lip crayon from Faces Canada All Time Pro, and it's in the shade Spiced Latte. So as we are proceeding towards the fall, these kind of colors really look good, like terracotta, browns, maroons, they really look good. But nudes are the ultimate favorites. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sana Khan, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe. And for the ones who have already, thank you so much. It means a lot. Let's be a family and grow together. And always you can recommend me whichever video you want to see. And yeah, so today's video is going to be a review video of a new launch product that you've seen on my thumbnail. So this I received in my PR mail. So it's the newly launched Mamaearth's Kajal pencil, and I got both of their Kajal pencils to review. Okay, so I'll be making a detailed review on both of them. One is Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl, and the other one is Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. With the Charcoal Long Stay Kohl first. The Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl it has castor oil and chamomile. It stays for 11 hours. It is smudge free and made safe. Okay, toxin free, long stay, ophthalmologically tested, and it contains 1.2 grams of the product. It retails for $4.99, and this one comes with a sharpener. Okay, open the box, and here's the product. The packaging is very Mamaearth kind. Okay. Back after sharpening this. It is like this, if you can see. It is intense, it is dark. I'll give you a close-up look. I have already applied it twice before giving the review, but it did not break even once. I don't know why it broke. Maybe it is too soft from inside. This is why. I used the sharpener for the first time, and it sharpened really well. So the quality of the sharpener is quite good. Okay, talking about this, it is not smudging, you guys. You can see how harsh I am, how harshly I'm rubbing. It's not smudging at all. I hope you can see. Yep. It's been 2 hours since I've applied. Not 2 exactly. It's been 2 plus, not 3, but it like maybe 2.5 hours I've been wearing these kajals on my this waterline, and on my right waterline I'm wearing this one. So you can see how beautifully it has glided there intact from 2 plus hours. So it's good, like that's a thumbs up. Though it claims that it lasts for 11 hours, no, it doesn't. 11 hours it doesn't last. It lasts for a good 6 to 7 hours. This one will be stayed put, and it's not going anywhere. Okay, it is there, and it is not going anywhere. But yeah, after 6 hours or 6 plus hours, 6 or 7 hours, then it starts smudging. Okay, so it doesn't stays up to 11 hours. It stays up to only 6 to 7 hours, which I think is again good, because 6 to 7 hours is a long time, and like it's like your entire event you can cover up with this. Like just applying this, the entire event you can cover up the entire event, because 6 to 7 hours is, I mean, it's a quite long time. So that's not bad. It is really good. That is the thing which other YouTubers haven't said. They agree to the 11 hours thing, but I don't agree. I have already used it twice, and I know that it doesn't stay up to 11 hours. It is, yes, it is a smudge proof. On your hands, it is definitely smudge proof and waterproof. I'll show it with the water also. It is waterproof also. But on waterline, when it starts fading off after 6-7 hours, then it starts smudging also. I agree. I mean, the qualities are good. I'm just the 11 hours, I don't agree. Otherwise, smudge free, made safe, toxin free, long stay, ophthalmologically tested with good ingredients. And yeah, the price of this, like I said, it's 499. You can always get it on discount also, because Mama Earth, they most of the time run their discounts and free gifts, all that. So then go for these if you want to. Now coming to this one. This is charcoal black long stay kajal with vitamin C and chamomile. Again, 11 hours stay, smudge free and made safe, toxin free, stay long, and ophthalmologically tested. It contains zero point 0.3 grams of product and retails for 299. Okay, again cruelty free, and with the things that they claim here. Again, it's written here, I'm reading it out. With Mama Earth charcoal black long stay kajal, nourish your eyes with while giving them an intensified deep black look. Agreed. With just one stroke. With just one stroke, I agree. With one stroke, this one works really well. And the other one, you have to go the others, like the second stroke you need to put, but this one is really good with one stroke. Okay, with a unique waterproof and smudge proof with a unique waterproof and smudge proof long stay long lasting formula. It glides smoothly on your eyes, made safe, certified, and formulated with natural ingredients like vitamin C and chamomile. It is good for your eyes. Agree, completely agree. It is really good. That's how you open this. And here's the product. It is retractable one. Okay, and this retails for 299. It contains, like I said, 0.35 grams. 0.35 grams, yeah. So the best part is that it is retractable, you guys. Okay, and you get this much of product. Like, this is the standard amount you get in any other retractable kajals. So this one, these are the swatches of the previous one that I showed. So that's the swatch of this one. My right eye, I'm wearing this one, the one that I reviewed previously, and on my left eye, I'm wearing this one, the retractable one. So if you ask me which one is my favorite, of course it is this one, the retractable one. Not because it is affordable. This, I think, will replace my very favorite kajal, which has been my absolute favorite, my first absolute favorite when I, introduced myself to kajal. The most favorite of kajal of mine was the Colossal, and I'm pretty sure it is the favorite of all the girls. As far as I know, it is favorite of all the girls. Stayed favorite for a good long years. And then when K Beauty launched their retractable kajal and other beauty products also, their retractable kajal became my favorite. And since then, like when K Beauty launched that, since then I've been using that. And now I think this one is going to replace K Beauty, because this, again, it's exactly like K Beauty. I'm not saying that there is any difference between these two, the K Beauty and this one. The K Beauty, I'm talking about the retractable one. This one and the K Beauty retractable ones both perform exactly well. Both stay on your waterline or your upper lids exactly the same time. Like, this stays put for a good 9 hours. 9 hours it is there. It's not going anywhere. And same with the K Beauty one. So, and both are intense. Both are good. Both are good. Like, my favorite. So this is what I'm saying. This might take up K Beauty's place, because this again is, it's toxin free, ophthalmologically tested, and all of that good things. I highly recommend you guys to try at least this one from Mama Earth. Okay, both of them, they don't stay for 11 hours. Firstly, let me tell you. So the con is that this one stays for a maximum of 6 hours. It is there 7 hours. Why I said, because it might, some people, they don't rub their eyes or something like that. So it can stay up to 7 hours, but 6 hours it is there, which is good in a way. And this one stays up to 9 hours. So yeah, on my this I'm wearing this, and this I'm wearing this one. So you can see the difference. This one is more precise, more intense, more nice, and stays up long. This one is also intense. It is, you have to build this up. Okay. And yep, the sharpening part is not good of this one, so yeah, they could have given again a retractable something here, but it's okay. And this one is good. This one is good, you guys. You can try this out. Okay, now I'll try these with water one. These three here, you see, it's this one, and these two here, it is this one, the swatches. So let's try with water and see if they are there or they are gone. So let's try. Okay, firstly I had to do okay, you see it's not getting removed. I'm rubbing my hand harsh. This is the retractable one. It's quite good, yeah. Quite good. I am doing I'm not rubbing it soft like other um, reviewers. I'm not doing that. I'm exactly doing the way it should be done. So this, you see, it's coming out a little. This one a little came out, but it is still intact. Like you can see, it is still intact. This one is coming out a little. This one is still intact. And yeah, you can see the, the water. That's it. That's it. That's how it looks after the water test. So this one, I completely agree. If you have to buy any of the two, go with this one, retractable one. It is affordable. It is way better than that one. So go with this one and you'll not be disappointed at all. That was it, my review for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and take care of yourself and take care of your family. Also, follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.